Pick any material of your choice up and let us try this style. It is quite simple, like absolutely simple to achieve. It's after watching the video you realize that. So to start with, you're going to get the material available and place from the back towards the front like this. Then you're going to roll it twice. Just watch my hand. That's the first one, and I'm taking another one round, making twice. So after the second one, I'll have to place that part with an elastic band. I have to get it secured, okay? So once I replace my hand with an elastic band, I'm going to have the two parts left. So I'll split the part out and I'll pleat everything down. I will pleat this part down now, and after this I'll keep this one under my armpit and go for the other part and repeat the same process. So I'll pleat everything here down as well. Then after I'm done here, I will now put the two together and fold them together like this. Then pick another band and secure the both together. So after I secure both together, I will now secure that excess that looked like flap at the back. I'll look for a way to secure it. So I've closed the middle part up, so I'll find a way to secure it with an office pin down here. I'll secure it neatly before I go back to the front and work with that. So I find a way to secure it like this. Then here I am. So I'll split the two parts out here now and stretch it out. Okay, so I'm stretching it out. So I'll first open it up like this before I close it up. Let's look at how it's going to look while opening it up. So I'll take it sideways and secure down here. So I'll go to the other part as well and secure down, then adjust all the adjustables, and this is the final look. So I'll show you another way. So you can just close up at the middle and secure it with office pin like this and adjust it properly and you're done. So this is so simple. I used 3 layers of actual okay, just 3 layers joined together. You can use any material of your choice. Thanks for watching and do take care.